How to unlock applications on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to unlock apps on iPhone, here is what you should do. It could be because of screen time, Face ID or parental controls. If you have locked your iPhone with Face ID to unlock, just long press the application that has been locked with Face ID. Doing so, you will see different option. Tap on the second one, don't require Face ID. This will ask your Face ID once and your lock has been removed. Second option would be unlock apps restricted by screen time. In order to do so, head over to your device settings. Once you are on your device settings, head over to screen time option. Once you tap on screen time, then after on app limits. If you have added any limits, make sure to remove it if you want to unlock the application. Next option is you have to remove the content and privacy settings restriction. For this, head over to it. Search for the application and make sure to allow the app that you have locked. This is how you can unlock applications restricted by screen time. So this is how you can unlock your application. That is all for today's video, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.